wanna be an engineer so freaking bad. Optimize the things I've always had. I wanna be on the cover of PC magazine, smiling next to Pentium machines. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I calculate a new design. Yeah, an efficient way to quantify. Oh, I swear my patent would be here if I was an engineer.
Yeah, I would have a show on Discovery, hoping that everybody in the country would watch me on the HD. I'd probably pull an Orville right in a Wilbur, build a plane and take the rudder and dip it in silver. Give away a few smartphones like Einstein, here, have this. Take my protractor out and do some mathematics. It's been a couple years since I've been single, so you can find me working late and living off ho-hos. Brain food for the intelligent. Sometimes I like to compliment myself.